Welcome to Fast Online Tutorials for Web Requisitioning. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add accounting information to a requisition. For detailed information about the requisition page, you can open the context-sensitive help. The amounts for the commodity items are red until the accounting codes have been added. As a reminder, default coding is enabled for this requisition, indicating the accounting information used for this commodity item will be used for all commodity items in this requisition. If you don't want to use the same accounting information for all commodity items, you can edit the item and remove the default check mark. However, for this tutorial, I'm going to use a default coding and will just close this commodity. I'm going to scroll down so that I can see the commodity and accounting sections together. If you have just added commodity items, click Add Accounting Item. Required codes are institution specific and have an asterisk next to them. You can type the accounting codes in the boxes or click the icon to search for them. You can tab to add the next code, or use your mouse and click into the field. The activity and location codes are not required, so I won't be adding them. Because the default coding is enabled, both commodity items display in green and are now balanced. I am going to click the amount for commodity item 2 and show you the coding. And the same accounting codes are applied for commodity 2. You also have the option to split the accounting information over 2 or more lines for a commodity item. I have selected the amount for commodity 1 and will edit the accounting information. Change the amount and then click the save icon with the plus beside it to add another accounting line. Note that both commodity amounts are red. This is because I am splitting the accounting line and it hasn't yet been saved. The balance of the amount is automatically inserted. Add the coding for this accounting line and then click Save. Click this icon to save the accounting line and edit the next line. If you decide you don't want to split the accounting line, just click the Cancel icon. Please note that if you are editing an already saved accounting line and then click Cancel, any changes are discarded. However, I am just going to save this accounting line. And now there are 2 accounting lines for commodity item 1. And because the default coding is enabled, commodity item 2 is also balanced. The accounting for commodity 2 is also split over 2 lines using the same codes and the same percentage split for the amount. If you need to change the amount for a commodity item, it is very easy to edit it. Click the amount for the commodity item to select it, and then click Edit. Change the unit price for the commodity item and click Save. And in the accounting section, the amounts are automatically updated. If you have already added accounting lines and need to add another commodity item, click the icon just above the commodity section. You can also add a new accounting line for a commodity item. Please be aware that it is the same as splitting the accounting line. When accounting lines are not in edit mode, the Edit and Delete buttons show. Click the pencil to edit an accounting line or the X to delete it. You have seen these icons at the bottom of the requisition, and now I will give you a brief explanation for each of them. You can attach a file or document to this requisition. You can also add or view requisition-specific notes. Clicking this icon with the green arrow opens a list of the approval history, which is a list of who the requisition has been sent to. A PDF opens with an exact copy of the requisition. If you don't need the requisition any longer, all you have to do is click this icon to cancel it. If you use the same commodity items on a regular basis, you can copy this requisition. Some institutions give you the option to check for specific warnings. When you have finished the requisition and are ready to send it for approval, just click this Submit for Approval button here on the bottom right.